I just want to wish all our learners in Wales the very best of luck for their exams. Do your best, that's all anybody can ask of you. Remember that we've got really good resources online called Power Up that can help you with your revision and help you to take steps to look after yourself while you're going through this period. So a huge good luck to you all. Pob Lwc.
Pob Lwc to all learners across Wales as you prepare for the exam period. As a former teacher myself and as a mum, my daughter is in year 13, currently preparing for her A-level exams. I know that this can be a really stressful time, but my advice to you would be work hard, but don't put too much pressure on yourself. Give yourself plenty of breaks. Hopefully you've got lots of learning resources from your teachers or lecturers, and there's plenty more as well available on Hwb Cymru and the Power Up site. So look after yourself, take regular breaks, make sure you're eating well, getting plenty of sleep, but keep powering on through because the end is in sight.